Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to create a website navigation bar or nav bar only using HTML and CSS. As you can see here, I have just added a beautiful animation for the hover effect. You can see some animation whenever I move the cursor over any menu item, just like this. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create this type of animated website navigation bar only using HTML and CSS. Let's dive right into the video. Alright, here we have the project folder. We have index.html document and here we have style.css document. Now having this, let me open this inside my code editor. In this case, I'm going to use Sublime Text. Here is the basic. Here I have just added the basic HTML document and I have just added the basic CSS document right here. Alright, now I've just linked this index.html with style.css using this link tag inside the head section right here. So we are going to have a title right here. Let me say the title of the project, make animated navigation menu. So inside the body tag we are going to create a div element having a class name nav container. Inside this div element we are going to nest a nav element right here. Inside this again we are going to nest an order list. Inside this unordered list we are going to nest a list items right here. Alright, here we have list item. Inside this we are going to have a link tag right here, anchor tag right here. That's it. Alright, here we have the first menu item. Let me say home, service, courses, blog, and contact. Alright, now save and refresh and then open this document inside my web browser right here. Here we have. Alright, so now let me style this navigation menu. So to do this, let me take this class selector nav container and then add some property value pair, display, flex, align items, center, justify content, also center, and then the menu item will be positioned at the center with 100% and height also 100 viewport height. That's it. So when I save and refresh, here we have the menu item at the center. So now again using this element selector, now box shadow, border radius 50 pixel, save and refresh. Here we have. Alright, again using this LI element selector right here, let me style this list item. So copy this and paste right here and LI. Now let me add some property value pair, list item, none in order to remove the bullet point, and display line block, padding 7 pixels from top and bottom and 25 pixels from left and right, and then margin also 8 pixels. That's it. Here we have. Alright, that's pretty nice. Now let me remove this underline and increase the font size. So to do this, what we are going to do is using this anchor element selector A and add text decoration none and text transform capitalize and then font size, let me say 1.3 which is 1.3 times the global font size. The global font size is 60 pixels. When I save and refresh, here we have. That's it. So now color green. Alright. Cursor pointer. Now copy this and paste right here and add hover overfit over this navigation item. So to do this, we are going to use this pseudo class selector hover right here and color. Let me say the color pink. Here we have. Alright. So copy this and paste right here. And then after content empty, background red, position absolute, top 50% and left 50%. Transform translate minus 50% and minus 50%. Width 100% and height also 100%. So when I save and refresh, alright. Okay, if the position for the child element absolute, the position for the parent element should be relative. So in this case, here we have the parent element, so position relative. That's it. Here we have. Good. And now come over here and add border radius. Let me say border radius 50 pixel, and again come over here and z index 1 and z index minus 1. Here we have a nice text right here. That's it. So now come over here, change this left 50% to 0%. Here we have. And now let me add another property over here, opacity. Let me reduce the opacity to 0. Here we have. Alright. So now what we are going to do is copy this and paste right here, and then again we have after right here. So copy this and paste right here. That's it. So now left from 0 to 50%. Here we have 0 and here we have 50%. And now opacity from 0 to 1. Here we have 0 and here we have 1. So when I save and refresh, alright, nothing is happened. Alright, instead of A, let me remove this anchor element selector, and when I save and refresh, here we have. That's it. Now let me add a smooth hover over effect. So to do this, come over here and add transition left 0.5 second and opacity 0.5 second. And then for the color also, let me add transition over here. Color 0.5 second. That's it. So now having this, when I save and refresh the web page, here we have. That's it, right? That's awesome. Alright, congratulations. I have just shown how you can create this animated navigation bar only using HTML and CSS. If this content is valuable, please share and like this video. If you have any question concerned here, let me know in the comment section below. If you didn't subscribe this YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to get access more programming related video in the future. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.